Now let's understand how DeepSeek R1 Zero was developed. The process began with the DeepSeek V3 base model, which was then trained using large-scale reasoning-oriented reinforcement learning. This training approach ultimately produced the DeepSeek R1 Zero model. To understand what large-scale reasoning reinforcement learning means, let's look at a simple example. Imagine we are training a system to write a Python program that sorts a list of numbers. In reinforcement learning, the model receives a reward for a correct answer and no reward, or even a penalty for an incorrect one. During training, the model might be asked to write a program that sorts a list and also adds the number 42 at the beginning. The model could generate several responses. For example, one version might only sort the list, but forget to add 42. Another might add 42, but fail to sort the list correctly. A third might add 42 at the end instead of the start, only the correct version, where the list is sorted and 42 is placed at the beginning, would pass the test case and earn a reward. This reward system teaches the model to recognize which outputs are correct. Over time, it updates its internal parameters to favor high-scoring answers and reduce the likelihood of producing low-quality ones. With each iteration, the model learns to identify the patterns that lead to successful outcomes. If the model is trained on hundreds of similar examples, or even the same set of examples multiple times, its accuracy steadily improves. Initially, it might generate several incorrect solutions, but as training continues, it produces fewer mistakes and more accurate responses. This process strengthens the reasoning ability of DeepSeek R1 Zero. Another important observation is that as the model learns to reason better, it begins to generate longer responses containing more thinking tokens. These additional reasoning steps help it analyze problems more thoroughly, leading to higher accuracy. In other words, when the model spends more time thinking through a problem, its answers generally become more precise. That is how reinforcement learning contributes to the creation and improvement of DeepSeek R1 Zero. I hope this explanation has clarified how the model evolves and refines its reasoning through continuous training.